Hey guys, it's me again, Teacher Collins with Hi Owl Star. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, "Who's this?" and reply with, "She's my" or "He's my." Let's get started. Who's this? She's my mom. She's my mom. Who's this? He's my dad. He's my dad. Who's this? She's my grandma. Who's this? She's my grandma. Who's this? He's my grandpa. Who's this? He's my grandpa. Who's this? He's my brother. He's my brother. Who's this? She's my sister. Who's this? She's my sister. Can you remember this sentence of today? Repeat along with me. Who's this? She's my or he's my. That's it. I'm sorry, kids. It's time to say goodbye. See you later.